He's already up the inside of a few riders. Rossi now up the inside of Loris Baz at turn number 2. Lorenzo, though, leads the way. Rossi siding his way through the field.
There is a Valentino Rossi. Right behind, right in front of him is Yoni Hernandez.
Sainzo leads over the line at the end of the first lap. Valentino Rossi then down in 15th place. He's about to move up the inside of Nicky Hayden, the 2006 world champion. Hayden will run out a little bit wide. Rossi can't find a way through on that powerful Pramac Ducati. Rossi will finally make it stick up the inside of Hayden down into the mid-Durham corner. This is where the championship was decided between the two of those back in 2006.
Oh, it's pretty hectic there for Valentino Rossi, trying to carve his way back through the field. There he is, 46. He lost the championship here 9 years.
Rossi in the slipstream of Stefan Bram's Aprilia. Rossi picks up one more place down into the brakes at the first corner. Valentino Rossi now up into 11th place. In 11th place, but he's over 5 seconds back of the... This is where he picked up Hernandez on the last lap. He's up the inside of another Ducati on this lap. He dispenses with Michele Pirro at turn number 8. This is where Rossi went down in qualifying yesterday. Rossi then inside the top 10 for the first time.
Now Honda's
Andre
Iannone crashed out, and that means that's another place for Valentino Rossi. Iannone has crashed out of the race. He's up the inside. Listen to the crowd. Valentino Rossi has passed. They touch. Hit his way through. Second on Jorge Lorenzo at the front. There's Dovizioso. There is Alessio Spargo. And Valentino Rossi is through this time. And the crowd go wild. And this time he has made it stick. Coming out of turn 5 up towards...
Hold off Valentino Rossi. The crowd go absolutely crazy in the background. Rossi then inside.
Rossi will cross the line any moment now. Valentino Rossi now just has to hope that the Hondas can catch the man. Pol Espargaro, Andrea Dovizioso to Pol Espargaro in front of Dovizioso.
Marquez. Espargaro is leading the train behind Rossi.
Marquez will wait for Valentino Rossi to arrive. This is a lonely old sad ride at the moment after a brilliant race by Valentino Rossi.
Yeah, Danny Pedrosa on that lap number 23. Yetes is on the 3:10 for the victory. What a second half to the race for Danny Pedrosa. You can hear a pin drop here. Place from Marc Marquez. Marc Marquez tries to fight back. Lorenzo out a little bit wide. Marquez back up the inside of Danny Pedrosa. The two Repsol Honda men fighting. This is music to Lorenzo with the
chip trophy. Now he dips it into turn 12. 2015 MotoGP World Champion. 99 wins here in Valencia.
2015 belongs to Jorge Lorenzo. Joy and jubilation on one side of the factory.
Audio Jungle.
To the reception for Valentino Rossi.